In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an Excel report with Cursor AI and Python. First, download Cursor, the free VS Code-based editor from cursor.com, and install it. Once it's open, create a project folder and place your Excel file inside that folder. Opening the entire folder in Cursor helps the AI see your files and understand what you're working with, which makes its suggestions far more accurate. Next, give the AI some context about your data. You can create a simple context.md file in your project or paste the same description into the AI chat. Briefly describe your Excel sheet, list the column names, the data types, and what the dataset is for. For example, you might note that product is text, units sold is an integer, price is a decimal, and date is a date field. The clearer your description, the better the AI can generate code that reads your file correctly and calculates the right metrics. Now open the AI pane by clicking the AI button in the top right of Cursor. In the chat, write a clear prompt asking Cursor to create a Python script for your report. Be specific about what you want to calculate and what the output should be named. For example, you can say, generate a Python script using pandas and OpenPixel to read sales data.xlsx, calculate total sales, average units sold, and create a bar chart for top 5 products, output to report.xlsx. If your file names differ, update them in the prompt so the script points to the right files. Cursor will generate a Python file, such as reportgenerator.py. If the code relies on libraries you don't have yet, ask Cursor to install them by saying, install required libraries, pandas OpenPixel. Review the code it produced. If something isn't quite right, highlight the specific lines and explain what you want changed, like, this chart title is wrong, please change it to product sales. Or use the date column to ensure correct sorting. Iterating like this is normal and quickly gets you to a polished script. When you're ready to run it, open the built-in terminal in the top right of Cursor. Make sure the terminal is in your project directory, then run Python report generator.py. The script will read your Excel data, perform the calculations you requested, and generate a summarized report file such as report.xlsx, including the chart. You should see the new file appear in your project folder. If you hit any errors, copy the error message back into the AI chat and ask Cursor to fix the issue. It will typically adjust the code or instructions for you. And that's it. With Cursor, clear context and a specific prompt are all you need to go from raw Excel data to an automated, repeatable report.